Okay, this video is introduce how to make a picture to use the inkjet printer. First, we just use Windows painting tool to make a picture. Then use layer to input what picture you want to print. Then you can choose layer to make the different size of the picture. First, you should choose the 140 pixels and to make sure it can be printed like this, and then you can save it. You should choose the monochrome BMP. Then choose the USB. Okay, and you can choose yes. One thing is the printer just print single colors, but you can choose the different colors which you want. First, you put your USB, then choose the picture and USB. Then choose the picture of your mate. Then you can print it.